Welcome back. Fisheries Department will finalize the fishing ban period by third week of May. This was announced by the Fisheries Minister Furtado on Thursday. The Labour and Employment Minister also announced that Margao ESI Hospital would be ready by June 2013. Furtado said that the general public would be allowed to avail services at the hospital, but they will have to pay for the treatment. Government has also proposed a ESI hospital in North Goa. Total 1,14,000 youth are registered with the Employment Exchange.
We have already heard the views of all the section of the fishermen. The Honorable CM has also heard the views of the fishermen, and all have agreed that the ban period needs to be increased. The department will finalize the date by the third week of May. Taking the interest of all the section of the fishing industry, the ban period will allow the fish to grow and the total production will increase in the coming year. The various schemes proposed for implementation in 2012-13 were implemented in 100% target achievement. My department is proposing to replace kerosene-operated OBM to petrol OBM due to high rate of white kerosene. It is proposed to upgrade the 4 fish landing centers, for example, Shapora, Mali, Putbon and Kortali, as per the report of the consultant appointed for the same. Fish Festival is also proposed to be held for 4 days in collaboration with the National Fishing Development Board, where different stakeholders will get display their product and a place for interaction. It will create awareness among the people. The ESI scheme has been extended in all the remaining talukas of Goa, for example, Perne, Satari, Sangay, Kankon and Kepe. And 3 more dispensaries at these places are likely to start shortly. The construction work of the upgraded ESI hospital at Margao from 50 to 100 bedded is likely to be complete by June 2013. The general public needing to avail medical treatment that will be available in the ESI hospital Margao will be charged with nominal fees. The state government is also planning to set up 100-bedded ESI hospital at Porvorim in North Goa. Person employed during the last 1 year, public 1,578, private it is 253. Total candidates registered in Panjim 69,725, Margao 44,277, total 1,14,000.
Already passed budget for the year 2013-14 of Corporation of City of Panji was presented before its members on Thursday. According to the new budget, minimum house tax has been increased to 500 rupees per year and tax for shop has been increased to minimum 750 rupees. In the budget, projected income has shown as 29 crores 7,16,500 rupees, whereas projected expenditure is of 29 crores 6,88,400 rupees.
Due to delay in election of mayor for CCP, budget for year 2013-14 was passed by Commissioner using special power. Now the people of Panji will have to pay taxes as per the following slab.
ATM, if it is with the bank, it was charged as the bank. Now, if you finally see in Panjim, ATMs are coming independent of banks. Bank, independent. What the ATM is paying? ATM is paying 750, it will pay now. It is a purely commercial entity. So, I have not charged much, we are just charging 2,000 rupees per year for this ATM.
Mayor Furtado has said that there are approximate 90% illegal running shops in municipal market. He has given time till end of this month to all the shopkeepers to get it corrected.
Enough opportunities were given to the market people. They are there doing business. They are not paying the sales tax. They are not paying the income tax. They have been tempering our lights. So all this thing has to be stopped.
Furtado also said that CCP has got grant of 19.5 crore rupees from the central government For implementation of e-governance, and CCP will soon float a global tender regarding this.
My friend Mr. Kamalnath, the Urban Development Minister in Delhi, and his team have sanctioned 19.50 crores for the e-governance to CCP.
Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
The residents from Volant Monte Vasco turned violent against the Goa shipyard's modernization project. The locals burned tires and stoned the project on Thursday. They claim that the work is hampering their health. Locals claim that GSL doesn't have any required permissions for the project, but the GSL officials have claimed otherwise.
आता ते सगळे आवाज करताय हे हुंची बेसिसाची आवाज करताय कोणाच्या फोर्साची आवाज करताय कोणाची परमिशन तुम्ही दाखोय न्हू लोकांक तुमची फ्रेमीन दवरपाक हे सगळे परमिशन प्रॉब्लेम आता तुका थंय फर्स्ट पायलिंग करता तो आवाज जाता सगळे ल्हान भुरगीं भिताय न्हिदोंक जायना जाणटी मनीस वडकोडटाय सारखे हो पळय तो ऑपरेशन किडनी पेशंट ऑपरेशन केलेला तो मनीस लोकांक न्हिदोंक जायना हे घेरपण पळय टांकीचो व्हडलो आवाज
हे काम बंद करपाचे आमची मागणी काय ना आणि हे पैसे घेऊन आमका हे पैसे घेऊन आमची मनशा परत येतले आमका.
The local resident trespassed the premises of the Goa Shipyard Limited. They have opposed the modernization project work operational in the GSL premises. They have demanded to stop the work. They also allege that the GSL does not have any permissions. Later in the evening, the GSL officials had a press briefing and said they have all the legal permissions to carry on the work.
First of all, we are not doing any reclamation. As you can see, we are doing the work on the piles. So it's not correct to say that we are doing reclamation. And yeah, all the documents we have submitted to government authorities wherever they have asked us, and they have been. We have very transparent process of obtaining the approvals. Project is implemented in phases. You take the permissions.
Goa Shipyard is having the permission.
Yeah. All the permissions are there,
Reporter Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
In a fatal accident at Raya on Wednesday night, 2 persons died on the spot, leaving one with minor injuries. The family was returning home from a picnic at Kolwa when a trailer took over the motorbike. South Goa collector held a meeting with concerned authorities and have assured to speed up widening and alignment of bottlenecks on Raya State Highway. Regina Lawrence has also alleged bad work of engineering by the PWD.
2 persons were dead on the spot at Raya on Wednesday night. One young boy of 12 years escaped with minor injuries. The family was returning home after a picnic at Kolwa. A trailer took over the motorbike, in which the motorbike slipped, causing the accident. The trailer owner has been arrested by the police. On Thursday, Collector of South Goa N.D. Agarwal held a meeting with officials from different departments. They have resolved to take up the work of widening and alignment of bottlenecks at Raya Highway speedily.
4 issues were discussed. One is the one award which already declared, but about some amount has to be come from the finance department. Once the amount will come, we'll take immediate position for the road widening. Secondly, another proposal already submitted to the PWD, which is pending the town planning department.
We said we are going to acquire, we are going to acquire it. There is no question.
So all this acquisition happens because of poor engineering, road engineering.
Yeah. So the poor engineering and all that is an effect of technical. But we will take steps to see that whatever has been issued today will be done.
Any deadline has been set for this?
For what?
For this?
Yeah, for the first phase, for the deadline is set for March, May, 10th of May for putting road repair and signage. Section 4 is there. I have said instead of taking a long procedure, we will put an emergency clause, that is section 17.
Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.